Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Niger. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Niger, a landlocked country in West Africa, is primarily driven by agriculture, exports, mining, as well as trade and investment. Forex trading around the world has become increasingly popular over the course of the last few years. However, there are no locally based Forex brokers available in the country. As such, Niger traders will need to make use of a globally regulated Forex broker in order to trade. Finding a list of some of the best Forex brokers in Niger and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when looking for a trustworthy broker that offers their services to traders based in Niger. So, in this video, we will be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Niger. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is Hot Forex. Hot Forex is the brand name of HF Markets Limited, and in addition to providing world-class trading solutions, is strictly regulated with a great emphasis placed on ensuring the safety and security of clients' funds in the best ways possible. Regulated and authorized with the FCA, CySEC, DFSA, and the FSCA, Hot Forex specializes in trading through Forex, metals, energies, indices, and shares. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, premium, zero spread, auto, HFCOPY, and swap-free accounts, with lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, a large number of simultaneous open orders, 24 hours, 6 days a week customer support, and more. Hot Forex also provides their very own educational panels, which cover in-depth Forex trading educational videos, beginner courses, tutorials in platform functionality, a featured trading podcast, as well as a number of live webinars, which you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, educational experience with Hot Forex. Coming in at number 4 on our list is Oanda. Oanda is a globally recognized, fully regulated Forex and CFD broker that operates across 6 of the most credible authorities in Australia, the US, Europe, Japan, Singapore, and Canada. Oanda specializes in trading through Forex, indices, metals, and commodities. Featured platforms for accounts are available on the MetaTrader 4 platform, which is supported on Oanda's WebTrader, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on standard and premium accounts, with up to 70 tradable Forex currency pairs, access to their web, desktop, and mobile platforms, 24-hour, 5 days a week customer support, and more. Oanda also provides their very own educational resources and learning center, which delves into beginner introductions to trading, understanding various analytics and tools, a guide to capital management, guides in platform functionality, as well as a variety of live webinars that you can take part in if you are looking to expand your education with Oanda. Coming in at number 3, we have Easy Markets. Easy Markets is an online, fully regulated financial broker, which is recommended for beginner traders, is regulated by the SEC in Cyprus, the ASIC in Australia, and offers beginners enhanced risk management tools. Fixed spreads on all Forex pairs, all on an easy-to-use Forex trading platform. Easy Markets specializes in trading through Forex, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, precious metals, and indices. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and the Easy Markets web platform and mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on standard, VIP, and premium accounts with fixed spreads, lower minimum deposits, no commissions, over-the-phone customer support, a variety of trading safety and insight features, and more. Easy Markets also provides their very own educational academy, which features educational trading courses, their very own educational video series, as well as a variety of ebooks that cover topics such as technical analysis, trading psychology, guides in platform functionality, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education with Easy Markets. At number 2 is IC Markets. IC Markets is an online Forex ECN and CFD broker. Regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as the Seychelles Financial Services Authority. IC Markets specializes and offers services in trading across Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature demo, raw spread, and standard accounts with lower starting deposits, lower spreads, up to 64 tradable currency pairs, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. IC Markets also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginner's guides to getting started with trading, a range of articles and written educational content which covers trading lessons, analysis, and news, as well as a variety of educational videos and webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with IC Markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Niger, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online, fully regulated financial broker, was founded in 2010, is regulated and supervised by reputable organizations with its head office located in Australia. This broker accommodates for various levels of traders. Whether you are experienced or new to trading, you will have the option to trade in over 100 different market instruments and over 70 currency pairs. Pepperstone specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, lower minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a variety of helpful trading guides and courses, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as their very own beginner's guides, which covers a variety of educational topics if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Pepperstone. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Niger on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.